Okay, this is the next update on the Harley Ultra Classic. I'm working on my throttle handles, changing them out right now. I've got this loose, and I think I need to get the bottom section done. So, and then this handle, it should come off pretty easy. And I'll get back with you with any progress out for now. Looking for the screws that hold the bottom part of this. Okay, I've got the T25s. There's two of them, one here and one below right there. And I've got those out. And I believe I have to get these two out. These are either T25s or T27s. Okay, all I had to do is loosen them, and these, I was able to spread them out enough, and this throttle grip comes right off. So I'm gonna go get my new grips. I'm gonna see if I can get it installed properly. I may do some cleaning in there while I've got this apart and check my cable out. Okay, there's my new handle grips that I'll be putting on. The one with the black tip on it is the throttle handle. I'll get to it. This is pretty simple, just open it up. I've got to use both hands, but I'll just slip that right in there, close it up, and reverse, tighten these up, put my two T25s in, and it should be it. That black piece has got to slip down into the track there on the bottom piece, and then the top piece comes down over it. Pretty simple. Okay, I've got the two bolts there are tight, but they're not completely tight. A little bit loose. And now I'm going to put my two T25s, one in the bottom, one on the top here.
I found that all four bolts were T25, but this might vary on other Harleys.
Okay, I'm just gonna get it up there snug, but not all the way in, then I'll do the top one. There's the top one, I'm gonna tighten it up. Snug this one down, but not all the way tight, and go back and finish the bottom one off. Just snug. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this one. It's snug now.
That's tight.
I started up, I just wanted to make sure this throttle is working. And this is the next clip on the handlebar grips. As you can see, I got the throttle side installed, and that went great, but the left side not so great.
The throttle grip was the correct size. However, I ran into a problem on the clutch side. The tube was too small to slide up on the handlebars. I think it was 7/8 instead of 1 inch. I contacted a seller, and they're looking into this.
This is my old handlebar grip. You see I got it taped up because it was coming apart too. This is the new one, but the tube is too small for the handlebar tube. It will not slide up on there like the throttle side did. So I contact the seller to see if they sent me the wrong size, if they got different sizes or whatever. So I'll be waiting on information from them. I was hoping to get this done. I like the way the throttle side looks. It works fine. I started the motor cycle up and the throttle works great.
Close this video out here and get it posted. And hopefully in the near future, we'll get the left side handle grip solved. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you on the next update.